Alright, so this past, I think it was Friday, we tore this whole bathroom out, put in a new tub. The guy put in the tile. It's not the best, but it's still way better than gluing up some paneling. It still don't look too bad. When you get close to it, it looks kind of shitty, but it's all good. We're gonna put in a new toilet, new vanity, new mirror. I do have to find the hole for here. I think there's a hole underneath. I can go up the old hole, but it was at 15 inches. That's why I took it out. It needs to be at like 12 inches from center, 12 inches from here, 12 inches. So I'm gonna have to cut that and then bring up a new flange, but it's still all good. So hopefully it's not too close this way, but I am gonna go up the old hole, but I'm just gonna bring it back a little bit more. So let's get into it. So this is the old hole. I wanna bring this back. In order for me to do that, I would have to use a street, or I could just cut it back here and then come back a little bit with that hole. But there is double plywood, so but I don't care about that flooring right there. It doesn't matter. So I'm gonna drill upwards more closer this way. Would like to know where that tub lands, but I kind of can measure. Actually, you know what? Damn. Seems like it's gonna be way too far this way. Not really. Huh. Let's just do it. I'm gonna go more right here. Alright. Now hopefully I can land my flange right there, and hopefully it's not too far this way. I don't think it's too close this way. So we'll find out when I get up there. So that hole is exactly at 12. And we're pretty much exactly where we need to be here. Should be more at 15. But there's a joist right there for one. And over 15 is not a problem. It's under 15 it's a problem. So should have plenty enough room to put a 30-inch vanity and get this toilet in here. My thing is just that joist that may be in my way, so I may have to come a little bit more this way. I know I can come this way a little bit, but I don't want to run into that joist, so I'm gonna start drilling that hole. Alright, so the hole's pretty much perfect, 12 inches from drywall. Only thing is when you drill these holes, this don't sit completely flat. When you try to drill that down, you're gonna bend this. So what you need to do is you gotta dado around. Some people just make a bigger hole, which I think is stupid. I just dado around this, like dado right here with a router around there. So this can sit flat where it needs to sit. So let's do that. Alright, so when you have an 1.5 or 1.25 going to 1.5 you gotta use this little, it's like a little washer. I don't like using them, but they work, so I prefer that to be 1.25 and not 1.5. So if I would have noticed it, I probably would have changed it, but I didn't notice it while I had this out. So let's see. Need an extension. Try to do this quickly. Cut this a little bit just so it doesn't give me no problems. Sorry about the fan, make a little bit of noise, but cut this a little bit, pop this back on there, and then we're good with this vanity, and I'll go on to the toilet. All this stuff is repetitive to me, so it's so easy and so I can do it so quickly. It's when there's a lot of work to do at once. It becomes time consuming, but hold on. Let's see. Yep, that's gotta be cut. Damn it. Ooh, that fan feels good. Let's bring this in here. Yeah, I don't like using these. Okay, see how it's bowled up a little bit? I drop this down. Alright. And this little bit of an angle can mess it up, but I think it'll be okay. I think these washers like to leak, so that's why I don't like them, because they like to leak. Let's see if I can get this on here. Especially when you got a little angle going on like this. These washers love to leak, so make sure it's tight. Let's see if it leaks. Hopefully it doesn't. Everything's tight. Alright, let's try it. I don't see no leaks right now. I'm gonna let it run. Hopefully we don't get no leaks, but pretty sure we're good. Toilets in, vanities in, everything works, nothing leaks. Gotta put this mirror in, do this, do some trim, and this bathroom is pretty much good. Let me run some silicone around this toilet. Looks like crap, but it'll work. Alright, everything's good. I got the trim up. They're gonna have to do some caulking there, and painting. Let me throw up this mirror. Try to move this light over a little bit. Put this handle on. I got a couple pieces of trim in there, and a couple strips, carpet strips. So. Gosh. Alright, sorry about that. The camera shut off. The last thing, well, I ran out of battery. I should have checked the battery. Last thing I gotta do is put this on, and we're good. everything's all good, everything's working, the toilet's good, no leaking. Vanity's good. Everything's all good. I love when something is easy. I don't like when you got a million things to do and to somebody else it seems like it should be going fast, but it's not gonna go fast. This shit goes fast when everything's ready for you. When everything's all ready, and even though I had to do the toilet flange, it still was easy. You know, I had to do some other things here, but it still was all easy, so all good.